What's up guys, it's Operation Eagle here. So today I'm gonna bring you another weekly update of TA on Eagle and also Bitcoin this week, starting from this week. I happen to take all you guys' advice. Now I'm using OBS for recording, so hopefully the sound quality will be better without hearing all my scratches with my finger. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we need to touch on with BTC, because BTC is the king of crypto. Everything moves around it. So as we can see, we have this huge ascending triangle, essentially been following this since April of last year, and then we have up and downs from we have some up and downs from here to here, and then you see we're getting rejected from here, and now we break below it. So what are we looking for? We are looking for the price to bounce, maybe again in this area, 40.5k. Hopefully it will start bouncing from here. But if I had to make a guess, we are currently ranging from here. As you can see, let me zoom in and then apply some kit. Rectangle, there it is. From here to here, we are range bounding. So if I had to guess, we will be either one, getting back at the bottom of the range, 40.5k, or meeting resistance in here, which is 44.6k, but we had failed once before. So remember, the more time it touches resistance, the more likely it will break upward. So here is the top of the channel, and also with the top of the descending channel. So we can apply zigzag to see what is gonna be happening with the Fibonacci fib. So if we put this here, from swing high to swing low, the upside target, the first target we'll be looking for is the same here, top of range, top of the descending channel, 44.5k, and then we'll be looking for break of golden pocket or accumulation or sideways trading, whatever you want to call it, in the 0.5 and 0.618 fib level, so 46k to 47.5k. So if we have to look at downside target, we can use this to swing low, to swing high. Downside target, we have one, that's here, 39.48k, and if we had to go lower, we'll be touching 36k, which is very unlikely. So we are actually still in a bearish trend, little bearish trend, not a bear market of course, but if we had to go down, probably it's gonna be here next time we bounce, because we have so many times that we tested this support. I can count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 times. So it's the same with resistance. The more time it tested the support, the more likely it will break towards the downside. So downside target, I'll be expecting here, which is 37.5k, which it also happened to have quite a bit of support here. 37.5k is right here. You can see previously 37.5k is a resistant area for Bitcoin, and it got rejected a few times here, and then start from here, it turned into resistance, only been tested for once. So if we break down the range, we will be expecting to test 37.5k and bounce. So yeah, this is the TA on Bitcoin for this week. Not looking good, of course, but with such new asset, I would say volatility is expected alongside with others such as Egld, which we're gonna see right now. So Egld, we're still also in a bearish trend following Bitcoin, of course. Now the price has dropped to $187. So, but I'm not at all worried about the price action, because you guys all know it. Egld pays you yield to stake and farm, so price action shouldn't be the first thing you had to be considered when you're looking at the chart. So right now, we've break down all the previous support, 246, 220, and now we're here at the 190 to 200 range. So basically the TA is about the same from last week, but now let me zoom in here. If you see, we have set in a higher low now, which is here, the first low 180, and this low now today at 184, which happened to be the bottom of the bigger bullish channel that we're in. So, and I have also drawn these two circles here, because I think that we will be having a similar pattern. So right now we can see this channel, this pattern at the bottom of the channel, hit resistance and drop down and start the bullish channel that we had back in July of last year, and we started to rise. DEX came out and we hit the top of 540. So because pattern always repeat itself in price action, when I study chart and when I learn from the others, so it is more likely this pattern will be happening again. So last time we went from here, so let me see, data range, we went from here, the high from here to the low of 50, 53. So we went from 246 to 53 in 72 days. So that's roughly a 4.5 decrease in price. So right now we will do the same with the reason, from 540 to now 180. So we're only decreased for about 3x. So the pattern will repeat itself, but it also will reduce how severe it corrects. So we came down from 246 to 50, which is a 4x, 4.5x, and now 540 to 180, so a 3x. So you can see the pattern, if it repeats itself, it will be less severe of the correction. So let me get rid of that. Not you. So if I had to make predictions, I would go something like this. path. Start from here. Just today. I wanna see the price bounce to here first, about 215, which is a previous support turning the resistance, and then it breaks down to about 195 to maybe 200, and then we will break above the channel and we will test the 200 exponential moving average, and then we'll start from here, maybe a little sideways trading, and start testing again, retest, and then bounce from here and retest the 300 level. So if you see I draw the path like this, maybe a little bit exaggerated, but it indeed will have the likelihood to happen, but it's just maybe a little bit more accumulation along the way, or a sudden price shot up and then the price shot down again to back here. So I will be expecting around February and March we'll be back at the 300 level again, and then we can start retesting previous support or resistance, and then we can start working our way up there. So this is basically what I would do in my TA, which is once a week mostly, and look at how the pattern develops itself and how the price is moving, and if something is worthy to pay attention to. Also, we can check out the RSI to see if there is any bullish divergence, which I found it had. Volume is decreasing, and if we look at the RSI, let me zoom. The RSI shows us we have lower high here, lower high on the RSI, and then we had high low in our price action, which is a bullish divergence here, lower high for RSI, and high low for the price. So it's bullish, and then we can see the stochastic RSI. We also have a lower high here, so which means we are probably about to reverse the bearish momentum and flip bullish again. So yeah, this is the TA from this week, and in the next video I will be going over the NFT project I like the most on elrond, and give you some reason why, or maybe give you a reason for you to take a look at it if you decide if you want to own some of them. And yeah, we'll be going from here. Remember, if you like my content, comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya. Bye bye.